Bonjour mes amis, c'est moi, Patsy, Unique P, et bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Aujourd'hui, I am going to start swimming lessons, so I am all prepared. I have my beach bag with me, this beautiful raffia bag that I got years ago, and I have my swim gear, my swim cap, and my goggles, full goggles, and of course you can't go to the beach without protecting yourself. So I have my Black Girl sunscreen to take with me to protect my beautiful melanin skin from the sun. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me and carry you through the whole program so you can see me learning how to swim at 56. So allons-y. So, hi Christal, what can you tell us about the EMC program that we are participating in?
Yeah, so the EMC Adult Learn to Swim program is the second year running. We ran it last summer, we're running it again this summer. It's a collaboration between EMC, which stands for the Elkhorn Marine Conservatory, which is a coral reef restoration group in Antigua. And it's a collaboration between them and myself and my mom, who have Splashing with Splashing swim instruction. And what we do is that we take a cohort of about 12 adults local to Antigua who are pretty much absolute beginners or very, very beginner stages. And we teach them how to swim enough that they can go snorkeling at the end of an 8-week program, 8-session program over 3 weekends. And on the last weekend, we go to a snorkel excursion to see the corals that EMC have been developing in their coral nurseries over at Green Island.
Awesome. And you are one of the young ladies who were brave enough to take that wonderful paddle boat trip across the ocean, not once but twice. Coming from that background, do you think that us Antiguans need to be more water friendly, especially as we have so many beaches here?
For sure. We are blessed with some of the prettiest beaches in the Caribbean, prettiest beaches in the world, I would go as far as to say. And not being able to enjoy our beaches and understand the water life under the sea and the effects we have on land and how that affects the ocean is really important. And we can't get that relationship unless we know how to swim, we know how to snorkel, we can see what's on the water, we can enjoy the water, we can love the water. That's really important things to have in an island nation. And unfortunately, because of our history, because of socioeconomic issues, access to swimming instruction hasn't always been strongest in Antigua. But we're aiming to work on that. There's several groups here in Antigua that teach people how to swim. We are one of them. And yeah, we're just doing our mission and trying to get everybody swimmed up.
Awesome. And what can you tell us about your experience with the row across the Atlantic?
Well, the Atlantic row was almost a piece of cake compared to our Pacific row. But the Atlantic row had something really special about it because we were the first all-black team to ever row any ocean when we did the Atlantic.
Okay.
Furthermore, it was a very historic row because we were rowing across the transatlantic slave trade route, which is really very, what can I say, poignant moment for us because it was as if we were able to retrace those steps but do so in a way that was done voluntarily, and it gave us a lot of empowerment as a collective group, and I think for our people as well it was a symbol of overcoming some of our historical shackles.
Absolutely. In fact, the morning that they said you guys were to arrive, I was out at English Harbor from 6 o'clock because I wanted to make sure I packed up well, so I had breakfast, lunch, and afternoon snack out there waiting to welcome you guys back home. And yes, it definitely empowered us as a people. That is one of the reasons why I have my channel. It is focused on black designers and black owned businesses, and having us supporting us and knowing who we are and how talented and creative and absolutely badass we are, like you, Christal. So thank you very, very much for having this moment with us, and we wish you guys all the success, and myself.
And
I am
yourself,
looking forward
yes,
to this program being as successful and as fun as it has been for everybody. Hey guys, this weekend is the last weekend of my swimming lessons, and today is Friday. We're going to be continuing to learn how to dive today, and then tomorrow we will finish off that, and on Sunday we're going to be doing some snorkeling. So see you on the other side. guys, welcome to a day in my life. So today is Sunday, the 1st of September, and it is the last day of my swimming lessons where we're going to be going out snorkeling in Antigua. So I'm going to take you guys along with me so you can experience it. You would have seen from the first day that I started learning how to swim and all of the different exercises that we've been doing, but today is the finale. So come along with me and let's go on this adventure together. I'll see you on the next side. À tout à l'heure. Au revoir. Hi guys, so we are here with Zoe Teague and we are going out today to do our last hurrah in this swimming lesson that we've all been taking part in. So Zoe, welcome. What can you tell me about your experience with this swimming lesson?
This has been phenomenal. I have always wanted to learn how to swim. When I was little, I tried, but you know, fear gets the best of you. But like last year for my birthday, I wanted to snorkel and I couldn't. I had this major fear, thank you. I had this major fear about it. But I had heard about this program and I couldn't do it last year due to my own schedule. So I was like, sign me up for next year. And I made sure I was in the country and it's been a great 3 weeks. I can't wait to snorkel and see all the coral and the fish. And I'm in my mermaid era, so I love it.
Oh, it's cool, pretty cool.
I keep it sweet, so you know we can enjoy the afternoon and do a sunset cruise back home. Yeah.